Good morning, student. Last time we discussed about the basic of arithmetic progression and about the sequence and series. Now there are the few questions we discuss on that concept. See, it is given the sum of p term is equals to a, sum of q terms is equals to b, sum of r terms is equals to c. Sum of p term is equals to a, sum of q term is equals to b, sum of r term is equals to c. You have to prove that a upon p into q minus r plus b upon q into r minus p plus c upon r into p minus q is equals to 0. Now you have to prove this. Now see this one. How can we simplify the question? A upon p. First of all, sum of p term sp is equals to a. It is given to you, and according to us the formula of s of p, that is p by 2 2a plus p minus 1 into d, that is equals to a. Because in a statement small a is used, due to that I have used here capital A. Now transfer this p to this side. What it become? 2a plus p minus 1 into d is equals to a upon p along with 1 by 2. Similarly, s of q, it is q by 2 is equals to q by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d is equals to b. So 2a plus q minus 1 into d is equals to 2b upon q with 1 by 2. Similarly, r by 2 along with 2a plus r minus 1 into d is equals to c, or 2a plus r minus 1 into d is equals to c by r along with 2. Now you know value of each term, that is a by p, b by q and c by r. Now substitute the value into this relation. A by p, a by p is 1 by 2 2a plus p minus 1 into d, complete result multiplied with q minus r, plus 1 by 2 2a plus q minus 1 into d multiplied by r minus p, plus 1 by 2 2a plus r minus 1 into d multiplied by p minus q. Now it is an ordinary multiplication. After that you will easy to get the result, but see the simplest method by which we multiply. This 1 by 2 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is common in all the concept, so we take 1 by 2 common here. Now see this one. This q minus r multiplied with 2a into q minus r plus p minus 1 into q minus r into d. This q minus r multiplied with p minus 1 into d. Similarly, plus 2a into r minus p plus q minus 1 into r minus p along with d, plus 2a into p minus q plus 2r minus 1 into p minus q into d. This is simple multiplication. Now see this one. How to collect the sum? This is the term containing 2a, this is the term containing 2a, this is the term containing 2a, and they are in the form of addition. So we take 2a common. It is q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. This is complete term. Now see, from this term, if you observe, d is there, from this term, d is there, from this term, d is there. So we can take d common. What is left? Only these two terms for multiplication. So it is become pq minus q minus pr plus r plus qr minus r minus pq plus p plus rp minus p minus qr plus q. This is the simple multiplication of these terms, these two, and these two. Now see, it is 1 by 2 2a into minus p minus q minus r plus r, that is 0 plus d. See this one, minus pq plus q minus q minus pr plus plus r minus qr plus p and minus p. All the terms are cancelled, so it is d into 0. So overall result 1 by 2 0 plus 0, that is equals to 0. This is the proof of the statement that a by p into q minus r, b by q into r minus p plus c by r into p minus q is equals to 0. This is the concept you have studied in class 10. We have substitute the value and after that simplify, but be careful in calculation work. Thank you.